Today, we're walking through the DMAIC process in a simple, practical way. This is perfect for beginners, project managers, or anyone who wants to understand how real improvement happens. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, where we break down Lean Six Sigma tools and techniques so you can improve processes, reduce waste, and deliver real results. DMAIC is one of the core methodologies of Lean Six Sigma. It stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. Unlike traditional problem solving, DMAIC is structured, data-driven, and repeatable. That means you don't rely on gut feeling, you rely on facts. Think of DMAIC like a GPS for process improvement. No matter where you start, it gives you a step-by-step path to go from problem to sustainable solution. Define. We start by clearly defining the problem. What's not working? What's the goal? Who's impacted? There's where you create the project charter, gather the voice of the customer, and map the high-level process using tools like SIPOC. Next, we collect data to understand what's really happening. We establish the baseline performance and validate our measurements using tools like check sheets, time studies, and measurement system analysis. Without good data, you can't trust any improvement. Analyze. Here we identify the root cause of the problem. We use tools like fishbone diagrams, Pareto charts, hypothesis testing, regression, and the 5 whys. The key is this: don't jump to solutions. Prove the cause before you fix it. Improve. Once the root cause is confirmed, we develop solutions. We brainstorm, evaluate feasibility, pilot test changes, and use FMEA to reduce risks. This is where the real transformation happens. Control. Finally, we make sure the improvement lasts. Control plans, standard operating procedures, visual controls, and training all support long-term sustainability. No backsliding allowed. If you're enjoying this video and want a deeper, step-by-step guide, I've written a brand new book called The DMAIC Process Simplified, a step-by-step guide. Inside, you'll find templates, real examples, checklists, and an entire worked DMAIC project from start to finish. It's designed for beginners, students, business owners, and new practitioners who want clarity and confidence with Lean Six Sigma. You can grab your copy on Amazon, the link is in the description. What makes DMAIC so powerful is that it balances both structure and flexibility. You get a clear roadmap, but you can adapt to it in any industry: manufacturing, finance, healthcare, government, even small businesses. It eliminates guesswork, it aligns teams, it focuses on data, not opinions, and most importantly, it delivers measurable results. When done well, DMAIC reduces variation, cuts waste, improves cycle time, and boosts customer satisfaction. To get the most from DMAIC, spend enough time in Define, validate your data during measure, prove the root cause and analyze, pilot before implementing and improve, and lock in gains during control. If you follow the phases designed, your projects will deliver real, lasting improvements. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing what part of DMAIC you want to learn more about. Don't forget to check out the book linked below, and I'll see you in the next Lean Six Sigma deep dive.